The Lion's Gate, a time for transformation. Every year, the Earth is bathed in a powerful stream of energy from the center of the galaxy. This energy is known as the Lion's Gate, and it is a time of great transformation. The Lion's Gate is said to be a time when the veil between the physical and spiritual worlds is thin, and it is a time when we can connect with our higher selves and tap into our deepest potential. This year, the Lion's Gate is especially powerful, as it coincides with the alignment of the Sun, the Earth, and the star Sirius. Sirius is a star that is associated with light, wisdom, and transformation, and its alignment with the Earth during the Lion's Gate creates a powerful opportunity for us to grow and evolve. If you are looking for a time to let go of the old and embrace the new, the Lion's Gate is the perfect time to do it. This is a time to release old patterns, beliefs, and limitations, and to step into your full potential. I will be offering a special Neurographica class on August 8th to help you harness the power of the Lion's Gate. In this class, we will explore the spiritual significance of the Lion's Gate, and we will learn how to use Neurographica to create positive change in our lives. If you are ready to step into your power and create the life you have always dreamed of, then I encourage you to join me for this special class. Together, we can use the power of the Lion's Gate to transform our lives and create a world of peace, love, and abundance.